Got myself a nice little 3-in-1 turntable I'm hoping to use for 3D prints with my Creality ferret. I wanted one with a remote control, that way I could control it if it messes up, goes back and forth. And this is the cheapest one I found. Link will be in the description below. I know you can just get a normal turntable or a Lazy Susan or something, but I want my fingers out of it. I want the shortest hassle, and as much as I'm going to be using it, I think this one will work just perfect. Max load's 22 pounds. 360-degree rotation. Comes with the batteries, so it says. Looks like this is going to be the big plate. They're not solid like they kind of looked in the pictures. They kind of hide that they're not solid, which is fine. One's 8-inch. It's nice and light. Instructions. If you guys want to read the instructions, pause it, screenshot it, look at the screenshots. USB-C charger cable. Nice little remote. It does feel like it has batteries already pre-installed. Yeah, looks like I just got to pull that little tab. Probably gonna replace it with a little bit better batteries so they don't corrode up. Long enough cord, USB-A to USB-C. Device itself looks like if it's off center it will rub. Looks like the pattern's about that big. So if you get something smaller than that, no problem. Bigger, it's going to rub and warp the plate a little bit. Let's see. Okay, so that one does not fit inside that one, but this one has to stay on there for all the others to fit it. I'm guessing. I don't think that comes off there. I should really read the instructions, shouldn't I? Well, it sure does look like it's supposed to pop on there like that. Let's look at the instructions. Don't say anything. Okay, so we have, there it's turning. That changes the direction. That's the speed. I don't know what that one does, but that's super slow there. It's only going back and forth. Ooh, someone did complain that every time you push a button it beeps like that. It's not needed. You do have to point the remote right at the front. Doesn't work way over here. Okay. Okay. Put that on there for a little bit, let it spin. Make sure it goes in a total circle. £22, that feels like a lot for this device. Again, the link will be in the description below. It's nice that it came charged. People did say that there's no indicator for if it needs charged or not, but hey, charge it when you think it needs it. Okay, there I got it to go. Not quite the easiest thing to put on there. It's not level at all. I feel like I'm gonna break something putting it on there. It's on there, but it's not level at all. This side's a bit high. Well, let's see what it does with the scanner. Thanks for watching.